Can y'all see? 12:08 in the morning. This is Tuesday, April the 14th. I wanted to give you a behind the scenes of how I prepare videos for you all. So, let me show you how I prepare for the video. I am finna crank up my steamer. Thanks, Mom. She got me this around Christmas, so thank you. Yep, so I got my bottle of water. I filled it up, and I'm gonna let it get hot and get the steam in. I'm probably gonna have to like use the whole thing and fill it up twice to get the whole rack steamed out. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to go shower, do my makeup, moisturize, all that good stuff, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Come on, come on, come on. It is 7:08 and I am finally ready to get started. I know that is ridiculous, but it's just a lot that goes into preparing for you. I love Rave Bunny by MAC, and I topped it off for my lip color because it matches everything. So I'm gonna stick to what I know. Hallelujah. How they look? classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid, what's happening? I'm a savage. Or whatever. So, y'all correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, but whatever. Yes, so I got these looks together and I just wanted to kind of go through the moods. And I want to tell you where I got the items from. It's your last peekaboo, okay? Now, for bougie, I'm doing 2 pieces. This is a velvet or suede dress I got. For bougie, I'm doing 2 pieces. This is a velvet or suede dress I got from Charlotte Russe, and it's just, you know, strapless pencil dress. And I have my Lane Bryant fur coat. I know I have featured her in so many videos. I know y'all saw her with Valentine's Day. Yes, but I love this coat. Super bourgeois. All right, people of God, so I just wrapped and I'm finna decompress and take all my beauty off. So I hope you all enjoyed my videos and what's to come. So I'll see you later. And it's 12:08. So 12 hours from when I started. 12:08. Peace. Savage. This is the year we are unapologetic. All right, girl. I'm a savage. So I hope you all enjoyed the get ready with me. So always remember that confidence is a lifestyle, and don't you dare walk out the door without it. I love you all so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.